Hello everyone, welcome to NS Coding. Today we will learn how to install PyCharm. So let's get started. Before starting, we will get to know something about PyCharm. So what is PyCharm? PyCharm is a dedicated Python integrated development environment that is IDE providing a wide range of essential tools for Python developers, tightly integrated to create a convenient environment for productive Python, web, and data science development. What is difference between Python and PyCharm? Python is the programming language used by software developers to create various applications. PyCharm is an integrated development environment that is IDE. Python is the language the developer will be writing in, whereas PyCharm is the platform where they will be writing to create projects. Now, here are some prerequisites for installing PyCharm. RAM, 4 GB of free RAM. CPU, any modern CPU or multi-core CPU. PyCharm supports multithreading for different operations and processes, making it faster the more CPU cores it can use. Disk space, 3.5 GB free space. Operating system, officially released 64-bit versions Microsoft Windows 10 or later, Mac OS 11.0 or later. Any Linux distribution that supports GNOME, KDE, or Unity DE. First of all, open Google Chrome and type PyCharm download in the search bar. Open the first link in the results. The official PyCharm website has opened. This is the PyCharm professional version for professional Python developers. It is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Scroll down a bit, here is the PyCharm Community Edition for beginners. Click on the download button, as you can see the download has started. After the download is completed, click on it. It will ask you for administrative privileges, click on Yes. The PyCharm Setup window has appeared, click on Next. Here we have to select the destination folder for PyCharm installation. Leave this as it is or select a custom location according to your convenience by clicking on the Browse button. For installation, you must have 1.6 GB of free space on your destination disk. After selecting the location, click on Next. Here, we have to select additional installation options. Select Create Desktop Shortcut, this will create a shortcut in UDesktop. Then select Add Open Folder as Project. Next select .py in Create Associations, this will create associations with Python. And then select Add bin folder to the path, this is very important as it is automatically going to set our path in our environment variable. After selecting all the checkboxes, click on Next. Here we have to choose a Start menu folder, leave this as default and click on Install. As you can see, our installation has started. After a while the installation has completed. Here select Reboot Now, this will restart your PC and then click on Finish. After restarting, we will open our PyCharm application and perform a basic mathematical program. So click on PyCharm shortcut, a user agreement window has appeared, select the I confirm checkbox and then click on Continue. As you can see, the PyCharm application has opened. Now click on New Project, here you can select Pure Python or Django for programming, but to use Django, we require Professional Edition. Now in Pure Python, type any name you want to give to your project. Choose any location according to your convenience, here select Create a main.py welcome script. This will create a welcome script when you create a new project. Leave the interpreter type as default. Here below, we have to choose Python version. If you haven't installed Python, click on the drop-down menu and select the latest version of Python available. I have already made a video on how to install Python, so check that out. If you have already installed Python like me, leave that as default and then click on Create. The PyCharm is creating a virtual environment. After a while, the main.py file has appeared, I will clear it and type a mathematical program. Let me zoom this for you. I will assign a value of 5 to A and a value of 10 to B. Now to print the answer, I will type print, A plus B in bracket. And like this, I will perform another print functions for subtraction, division and multiplication. In PyCharm, if you type any letter like I type P, it will suggest us functions starting with letter P. Now it is suggesting me print function, so when I press enter, it will automatically complete the typing of function. After the program is completed, press Ctrl+S to save the project. Here, click on this run icon or press Shift+F10 button. Now as you can see, the answers are compiled. Let me zoom this for you. Which are, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15, 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5, 5 times 10 is equal to 50 and 5 divided by 10 is equal to 0.5. So that is it for today. In the next video of Python tutorials, we will perform some programs of Python in PyCharm. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or ideas let me know that in the comments. See you in another video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care and thanks for watching the video.